Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or something strange is happening with Colaz Smith. Just days ago, he was in Jamaica working on projects that thousands of people were watching closely, and now suddenly he's somewhere else. Different country, different environment, different mission. But the real question everyone is asking is this: what exactly is Colaz Smith planning now? Because if you've followed his journey long enough, you know one thing about Colaz. When he moves quietly, something big is usually coming next. Colaz Smith has built a reputation for doing things differently. While many creators focus only on views and subscribers, Colaz has built something that feels bigger than YouTube. Over the past few years, his projects have helped communities, supported small creators, and inspired a whole movement of Jamaican YouTubers. But recently, viewers noticed something unusual. Colaz left Jamaica again. And this time, the destination caught many people by surprise. Thailand? No, that might seem like just another trip. But when you understand Colaz's history, you realize something. He rarely travels without a purpose. Every move usually connects to something bigger. Think about it for a moment. Whenever Colaz disappears for a while, he usually comes back with something new. Sometimes it's a project, sometimes it's an idea, and sometimes it's an opportunity for other people. This is why many people in the Jamaican YouTube community are watching closely right now, because Colaz has built a reputation as someone who doesn't just talk about helping others. He actually does it. From supporting smaller creators to creating spaces where people can grow, his influence has been felt across the Jamaican YouTube landscape. So when he moves, people pay attention. Now, of course, no one knows exactly what Colaz Smith is planning, but there are a few possibilities. Could this trip be about expanding his network internationally? Could he be exploring new opportunities for creators? Or could this be the beginning of another project that no one saw coming? Because if history has shown us anything, Colaz doesn't stay quiet for too long. And when he returns with an idea, people usually listen. What makes Colaz Smith different from many online personalities is that his story isn't just about content, it's about impact. Many young creators in Jamaica have looked at his journey and realized something powerful. You don't have to leave your roots behind to grow. You can build something meaningful while still helping others climb with you. And that's why whenever Colaz makes a move, the entire community starts asking questions. So, now we're left with one question. What exactly is Colaz Smith planning next? Is this simply a trip? Or is this the beginning of another chapter that could once again change the Jamaican YouTube space? One thing is certain. If you followed Colaz long enough, you know this. When he moves quietly, something is usually coming next. But what do you think? Is this just a vacation? Or could Colaz Smith be preparing something bigger? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy stories about the creators shaping Jamaica's YouTube movement, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CCN World TV News, because here we don't just watch the movement, we document it.